All right, let's look at this graph to come up with two different equations. So I'm going to follow the Hark way, and I'm going to actually do it two different ways. So let's duplicate that and bring it over. Perfect. Okay, first thing I notice, just on a graph, I want to grab the vertex. So that's the maximum or minimum. So the vertex is -2, -2. I probably should have chose a different number. That's fine. And then the slope, it's opening up. So we can say it's positive. It's going up 1, 2, 3. Slope is 3. So the slope is 3. I could say it's definitely g of x equals either 3 absolute value x or g of x equals absolute value of 3x. Okay, another easy thing here is my k value. So I know vertically this isn't going to be affected. So I'm going to just bring it down 2 at the end. Down 2. Okay, now if it's a vertical dilation, this would be vertical stretch. So it's just being pulled up. That's not going to affect it horizontally. So I could just say that it went to the left 2. So how would I do that? It'd be +2. So that is the easy, vertical is easy description. But if I want to have it here, that would be a horizontal dilation, and that would be a horizontal. Oh, wait, no, it's not a stretch. It would be a horizontal compression. So I want to think, what number goes in there? It's not going to be +2. If I did +2, then that would have a different vertex. Remember our song, you can't have the same horizontal translation if you also have horizontal dilation. So I know here I want my vertex to be -2. What if I put -2 in here? That's 3 times -2. How do I make it equal to 0? It's going to be plus something, not +2. It's actually going to be +6. So in both cases, -2 is our vertex. So we would say it actually went to the left 6 and was horizontally compressed by a factor of 3. So if it went over here, left 6, and then it gets compressed this way. Imagine we have a hand. Oh, I have Mr. Mittens. Imagine Mr. Mittens is coming over here and squeezing it to not just make it steeper, but also squeeze it towards the y-axis. So that's our two equations that I could describe this vertically and horizontally. Okay, it's time for class. If you want another example like this, just let me know. Tell me it was super helpful. All right, take care.